Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I just have a quick little haul video I wanted to share with you guys. So if you guys saw, Echo Park was having a sale on some limited paper pads. They only had like 1.5 pages of 6x6 paper pads, but it was a 6x6 paper pad sale. And I realized as I was going through my birthday stash, because I wanted to make birthday card folios. You guys said you guys wanted birthday card folios. And so I was looking through my stash and I'm like, well, I only have 12 by 12. Now I can use 12 by 12 papers to make those card folios, but the patterns are bigger. So I was looking at the sale and I was like, okay, you know what? We're just going to get some birthday 6x6 paper. So that's what I did. They just included this little like booklet of their new papers, and I really want the Winnie the Pooh Christmas. Oh, I'm waiting for them to have that in a sale. But I just got a couple of things. So I posted about this too, I believe, on my YouTube channel here. Let me just get my cutting thing here. That's not the way to hold it. This is the way. And so I decided I would get the Make-A-Wish birthday girl and a birthday boy. They had both of these. And when it comes to things like this, if I can make a boy and a girl version at the same time with the same papers, not have to figure out other papers. Like if I figure out one, I could pretty much do the other because the patterns are usually very similar or the same, just different colors. So especially when it's like the same collection. So this is the Make-A-Wish birthday girl. I'll just do like a little flip through here, and we got some cut aparts. I think I did get some cut aparts last time when I ordered some Halloween stuff that was on sale. I think I ordered also some birthday cut aparts. So yeah, we might be able to use all 24 sheets in this, and if not, I can pull from my other 12 by 12 paper for like the last sheet. You could generally get anywhere from 3 to 4 card folios out of one paper pad. You could get 4 evenly if you do all 6. You could get 4 if you do 5 sheets of each, and then there's usually like 4 cut apart sheets, and then if you wanted to use those for something else, and then you would just need additional like 1 12 by 12 sheet for the backs of all of them that you would cut up to 6x6. So you could generally get 4 out of these. So I got 2 of the birthday girl, and I think I got 2 of the birthday boy. Yes, I did. So let me show you guys the Make-A-Wish birthday boy. And like I said, I got these knowing that I will be using them for sure, and like soon, because I want to get these projects done. And I think I also got a... No, I didn't. Oh, I did. I got a dinosaur one because I was like, this is so cute. I've been really liking making the boy things. I don't know. I like the papers in general. So this is the birthday boy one. You could see some patterns are the same. I don't remember if I saw these little cut aparts on the other one. Now I'm curious, did they have the 2x2s? I don't think they do. That's interesting. These things are generally the same. They don't have 2x2s in here. That is so interesting. And this one has 2x2s. But anyway, we'll use it. If anything, I might not use the 2x2 side. Where is that again? Like this. I may not use this side, but I could use the candles on the other side. So I got 2 of those. Then I got this one. This is the wedding bells. This is a newer wedding collection. I think I have the collection kit. I have yet to use it. I don't think I had the 6x6, but then I was like, if I'm making birthday ones, I should make some wedding ones, because wouldn't these make the cutest like wedding cards for somebody getting married? Just to include a couple of photos, maybe some cash if you guys go that route, if you give them cash, or a gift card to maybe where they are registered on their registry. I don't know. So I thought maybe I should make some, you know, card folios with some wedding paper. Let me know. Let me know if that's something you guys want to see. I know for sure you wanted to see birthday boy and birthday girl, so that will be coming. Then I saw this paper pad. I don't have this one in my stash. This is the Happy Holidays by Echo Park, I think. I mean, this is all Echo Park, but I don't know if it's Cartabella or Echo Park. It's Echo Park. So they had this one, and I generally don't like blues with my Christmas. I don't like blues with my fall, but I really liked the Santa in here. And so I thought this would be cute to use. Like, that could be a cute full size to add a photo mat. Little Santas. The Santa was looking a little bit cuter on the cover. Maybe not so much on the inside. He's still cute. He's still cute. It's fine. Just not as cute as I thought. Then this was a newer to me collection. I think this came out this year. I love the neutrals in here. And this is the Summer Vibes collection. I think this is this year. 2024, yep. So this came out this year. I don't have the 12 by 12. I don't have any of this collection. And I saw it. I was like, okay, well, it's part of the 6x6 sale. Let me just get some because I know I don't have that in my stash. So I'm going to show you guys this one. So this is the Summer Vibes. And it's like neutrally colors. It's not as bright as we're normally used to with summer papers. And I actually love that. It doesn't have the pinks. So this can be for a boy or a girl. And it's very like beachy or surfy, and I really like it. So I got 2 of those, and then I guess I got 2 of everything except for the Christmas one and this one, which is the Dynamite. And I think I only got 1 of this one because I do have another one in my stash, but I wanted one specifically to use for card folios. I really like this dinosaur collection. And I just haven't used it yet, but I really like it. So I thought I would get one specifically to make some card folios with, and he's just so cute. I love all the little dinosaurs in here, and I thought this would be cute also for like a boy. I mean, obviously you could use this for a birthday boy as well. It doesn't just have to be for a child that loves dinosaurs, but it can be, or like I said, you could be for a birthday boy. Maybe their birthday theme is dinosaurs, like my nephew's was, I think, last year. Yeah, it was. So you could use that for whatever. I mean, I have other tutorials also on my channel where I take these 6x6 pads and I turn them into albums. So you can make, you know, albums out of these as well. But I have the intention of turning these into some card folios. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys stay tuned for all that. I'll start with the birthday boy and the birthday girl so I could get those done, in addition to some baby ones I have on the side here that I started putting together. So I do have some other baby ones I started working on, and then I definitely need to work on some Christmas, so maybe we'll use this new paper pad as well. Maybe we'll put those 3 aside. But let me know if you guys want to see some wedding card folios. I don't think I've ever done wedding card folios, so let me know if that's something you guys want to see as well. And yeah, that's my little haul here for Echo Park. Just something little. I only spent $27. Somehow it came out to free shipping. I think there was like one day where they had, if you spend $25, you get free shipping. I'm part of like their, you know, I get the texts, so they send me the deals, and I think one of the days was if you spend $25, it's still free shipping. So I spent $27.90, and I just got these. Okay, guys, so that is everything. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.